So welcome back. The guys are here, started the Hardi planking the siding today. Got a little bit more soffit run up there. Probably can't see with the, I can't see anyway. There we go. And me and Ashton are around here working on this front porch. We got our 1x run this morning. I just picked up some V-groove 1x6 and put under here. Still got to put my barge rafter out there. And let's see what else. The guys are breaking for lunch, so try to disturb them. But and then I got my little roof over there with 1x6 on it. So it's coming along. We're making some progress. Try to bring you back into the day and see what they've got done. So all I'm doing there is cleaning this up. This old 6x6 has been sitting around the house for several years now. So I was just knocking the dirt, funk off of it. But I like the way it's turned out. Almost looks like a piece of, and I guess it sort of is, a piece of reclaimed lumber. But anyway, that's my taste. Turned out pretty nice. Take it out here and check it and see if my notch works out. You can see the other one just fits in there. I got one timber lock, well, actually two timber locks. Got one on the side and one in that corner holding it together. And then I have just one temporary in the bottom down there, holding that in place until I can get some black lags or timber locks or something to get it put in there permanently. But yeah, I think it turned out nice. That one did. Let's I'll set you up and see if I can get this one in by myself. Can see I have a little gap there, so I just grabbed my line there. Just grabbed a line on this side because this post is twisted, but it needs to come out that way and just twist a little bit. Probably twist some of it with the anchor down there. All right, well, I got that trimmed up. Looks a lot nicer. It's fitting a lot better. Can make some final adjustments once I pull these stiff legs out and get a little weight back on it. So do that real quick and get it where I want it and bolt it in place. Perfect. Love it. All right. It is in place. Turned out really nice. Covered up gap I had in my 45 and my beam there. Outside corner's tight, but the inside had a little gap in it. My saw was set beyond 45 when I cut those, so. I got a temporary screw in that bottom. And yes, those are structural screws. They're not timber locks, they're actually ledge lock. But where's it at? Structural wood screws. So not going anywhere. I'm not worried about, you know, that little bit of wood that's left will hold this fine for strapping purposes. Screw each way, screw in the bottom. It's actually doing more than what I've got holding the rafters to the beam. I don't have, they're just nailed down, screwed down. I didn't want any screws or straps showing, so I might do something later, but for right now, that's all it's getting. Yeah, I think this turned out nice. It's my little front porch I've been wanting to put together for a while. Got to get some wood siding and go in there. Just put some wood siding in there, run me a 2x4 up underneath the beam there on each side and get going with that. The guys have been out here putting this Hardi board and batten on. That's looking really good. My guy come out and helped me put the roof on the other day. So yeah, it's all coming together. Hopefully my painter guy will get out here next week or so and get this all painted up. I got all the soffits done. Did a little timber framing here. Just something off the top of my head, something really just thrown together, but I think it turned out nice also. Been working on digging a little trench here so I can put this conduit in it, run power over there to that pole. I didn't run any power back here as far as receptacles or anything, but I'm gonna run a piece of wire over there for camper connection. End up moving the camper out here, and then I'll come here and put it in the bottom of this outdoor box here. I got 8 spaces in there, so that's the plan for that. Walk around here and show you the other side. I think another day and these guys can have this siding done. Got all the soffit up there done. Most of the panels on. Just need to trim it out and put the batten strips on it. This long wall looks really good. All right, a little bit of trash to clean up, not bad. So, looking good, looking good. All right, that's gonna do it for this week. See if I can't get y'all a little something for next week. Another quick walk around before I get out of here today. The siding guys are done. So kind of consolidated the materials we got left over, not a whole bunch. But everything is buttoned up as far as the siding goes. Air conditioning guys showed up today. I'll walk in there and show you that in a little bit. Saw my front porch columns are set. A little bit of my style of timber framing. Good, looking good. Playing musical trailers today, moving stuff around so everybody can get where they need to get to work. Come in here yesterday and put a little metal on top of that building there. And just wanted to put something down before we set air conditioning units and water heater on top of it. That's my little 4-inch pipe for my exhaust vent. Coming out the room inside there. This gable's done. And back around to this side. Man, this thing is shaped up really nice. Guys did a good job laying everything out. The way the batten strips fell from one end to the other. Got the same margin down here as we do on the other end, and the way the windows laid out, everything laid out pretty good. So happy with that. So inside now, air conditioning, guys. We're gonna leave the duct exposed. Let's see how it runs. They got 2 more registers to put up there. But all in all, it looks good. Run up, follows the ceiling line. Registers there, 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 and I think there's gonna be one more in there. Unit hung there. Thermostat disconnect above that. This area is gonna be on its own. And then you see the damper there where this comes through the wall. Gonna go up over the door. Gonna go up and T and go that way and this way. And this bay will be on its own. So if I want to shut this off or shut this off, whatever, and not run the heat or air, I've got that option. Try to cut down on the light bill. All right, that's probably gonna do it for this one. I'll try to go home and get some video edited and see if I can't get something out. It's been a couple weeks. But the ones that do show up and watch to the end, I do appreciate you. If you will, hit that thumbs up button, if you don't mind. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, how this is shaping up, turning out.